Hey everyone, so finally our website is completed as we have worked around 2 to 3 videos on this portfolio website and finally it's completed. And today I will also explain how to deploy this website, and not only that, I will also give you the source code so you can deploy it as well from this localhost to this procoder09/admin Adam portfolio. Not only that, I will give you a step-by-step detail how you also deploy your website like me. Okay, so watch till the end and let's start this video with a demo. As you can see here, I have a logo icon with some menu links. As you can see now, when I just refresh this page, you can see we have animation effect, which we already explained how this works and everything, and I have already explained in previous video as well. And when we move down side, as you can see here, animation effect also, and you can see the navbar looks fine in light blue color. Okay, so when I go below, you can see here my skill section where you can customize it as your own, and here I have added a button of see more. Now when you move below, you can see here my services section where when you hover you can see a smooth hover effect which look kinda amazing and I like it. Now when we move down, you can see here my work section. When we hover, you can see zoom in zoom out effect. It looks kind of amazing. And when we move a little bit bottom, you can see here contact me page where you can add and also edit yourself as you want. And here it's a contact me form where you can make changes. Okay, so yeah, here it is, and yeah, it's responsive also. If you already watch our previous videos, you already know about that. I will create the responsive as well, but if you don't watch that video, don't worry, I will show you the responsiveness. Let's first start with the mobile version. As you can see, when I click on this hamburger menu, you can see a sidebar will open. Okay, now when I move below, as you can see, the layout is perfectly aligned and the animation look crazy. As you can see, it look perfectly fine. And now let's move to the tablet version. Not only mobile but in tablet version, the layout is perfectly aligned and look crazy with the animation effect, and yeah, it looks kind of amazing. I also personally like it. Okay, so no need to worry, I will provide the source code, the link in the description, and I will also explain how to deploy this. Okay, so be with us and watch the full video till the end. So now let's start the deployment section. So click here, open a new tab and search web host mode, and you will get this link where you have to just click here and it will open this page where you can see you can here login, and but we will first see our this my services section where you can see here free migration as well as WordPress hosting, Node.js, Python, PHP. Not only that, we can buy domain, as well as if you have domain you can transfer here also. Okay, so let me show you how you can transfer here. So just click here, transfer to us. Yeah, here. Now when I type that procoder09, it will check it available or not. As you can see, when I search for procoder09.com, it says the domain you entered is already registered with us. You will need to cancel it prior, then you can register it yourself. So let me just show you another website like that is google.com. Okay, so let me just click here, transfer, and now you can see authorization code. To initiate the transfer, you will need to obtain an authorization code from the current registrar. This can be referred to as either the app code or auth code. They act as a password or a unique name. So you have to get the auth code and click on confirm, and it will transfer the whole domain to this web hostmost. By the way, there is a program that is going on, that is hosting time compensation program, where you don't have to worry about your remaining time of your old hosting. Like by giving you an example, if you have 6 months left on your another provider, you will get free 6 months on this webmost host. Okay, and there will be always prioritize your request. so you will get a faster response. Okay, so you will no need to worry about if you have a remaining time and you don't want to waste your money on that also. So they know about your money and your efforts, and they understand your value of money. That's why they give you the remaining time of that domain in free. Okay, so for taking that hosting time compensation program, what you have to do is to come to this link that I will provide it in the description. Okay, so just come to this link, and where you have to click on this button that says get my free hosting. When you click, it will open your mailbox, where you have to simply write your quick message that saying you want to switch it. Okay, just you have to write a mail that you want to switch your hosting platform. Okay, and that's all, and you will get that free hosting. Here you can see no price increase on renewal and 45 days money bank also. Not only that, personalized 24/7 support with A+ security and speed with 99.9% uptime. Okay, and here you can see some of the trusted reviews. Okay, so you can check it out here. I will provide the link in the description. Okay, so if you wanna change your hosting platform, you can just come here and use it. I like this very much, and this company is very nice. And by the way, if you don't know about my website, that is Procoder09, it's already hosted from this website. Okay, let me just show you. So when I just go back, as you can see, this is my website. If you don't know, I will provide the link in the description, because you have to just go and check it out. Here I am uploading the source code as well with the JavaScript, some array method with event listeners, loops, and even more. Okay, so go and check it out. So first I have to log in here. So just click on that login button and you will redirect to this page, and just click on login. Okay, so you can see this is my dashboard, where you can see I have a domain that is procoder09.com, and that is WordPress. Okay, so what I will do is to click on this control panel. Okay, and before clicking on this control panel and opening this everything, let me tell you the services and the plan and pricing. So when you go to this plan and pricing, as you can see, they have three plans, that is Micro, Pro, and Ultra, where you have to invest $2.50 per month, and what you will get is that you can see here, that is NVMe 10 GB with a single domain, and database will be 5 with version of CPU with the 2 core, RAM 1 GB, and this is but you don't get the Cloudflare CDN and free domain. But instead of this micro plan, I will prefer you to go to this best value, that is Pro plan. Okay, instead of this micro and ultra, I already purchased this Pro plan because I like it. If you just go below, and if you compare with these three of them, I like this one very much, because they give us unlimited domain with database unlimited with 4 cores, and RAM will be 2 GB, which is sufficient, with Cloudflare CDN and free domain also available. Okay, and not only that, you have email accounts will be 100, which is 10 times, and outbound limit will be 1000, which is twice, and I like that very much. So I just purchased this Pro offer, and I prefer you to purchase this one, it's amazing. So now let's go back here, and you can see this is my account with everything here. Now let me show you the domain that I have purchased, that is Procoder09. Here you can see that is Procoder09, and yeah, now here billing section, where you can add fund and everything. Like, let me just show you how you can buy a new domain. So just go to this domain and click on buy new, and here you can see you have to find a domain. So I have already added a domain, that is Procoder09, so I can't do that, but I will go for Procoder90 and click on search, and here for 1 year it's 1467. So I will just click on add to cart and click on continue. Then after that, where you can take ID protection as well, which is 0. So just click on here and go below where you have information about everything. Click on continue. Now scroll below, and as you can see, there are many payment methods. You can choose Drive Gateway, Bentry, PayPal, crypto, and if you're from India, then you can use this UPI, credit card, debit card, net banking as well. Okay, so just click on UPI and everything if you want, which one you want to use. Now I will move to this UPI because I am from India. So yeah, here you have to click it also and click on checkout. Now here you can see this is invoice of 8000 hashtag 8100, which is unpaid, and you have to just click here and you can change it as well. Okay, and here click on pay now and it will be paid, and you will get the .com, that is. Okay, so I have already purchased and I will not go for pay this again. Okay, so let's move to this server section where we have to upload the portfolio website. Okay, so what we will do is that come to this file management and file manager, and here you can see we have Procode09 folder. So just double click, and here what we have to choose is that public.html folder, and here you can see I have some folders WordPress, that is WP admin and everything. Here you can see index.html file as well available. So what we have to do is to upload a file, and then we have to create. So I will tell you step by step. So right click here and click on upload files. So click on here drop files, and here I have created a zip file. So just select it and click on open and click on upload. It will upload and click on done. Now as you can see here I have a zip file. Now just right click here and click on extract. It will and here you can see the location where it extracted the file, and just click on extract. Now you can see we have a folder, but we don't need any zip file anymore because we already have all the files like index.html, style.css and images. So what we will do, just come here and delete this Adam zip file. So just click here remove, click on remove, and now we have adam.portfolio. Okay, and it already live now. And first we will rename this, like I don't want this space, instead I will use this one. Okay, now come to the website and type Adam portfolio and click enter. Now you can see the link is changes to Procode09/Adam portfolio, and now the portfolio is online now instead of this localhost. As you can see, this is working perfectly. Now let's copy the URL and try to open in a new tab, and let's check if it's really work or not. So as you can see, it's really work fine and the website look amazing. Not only that, I will also provide this link in the description, so you will also check this website. Okay, now you can see it's working perfectly fine and I like it very much. Now if you also want to upload your portfolio like me, so just what you have to do is to come to this website, click on login and just buy a domain and everything. And if you have already, then you can transfer it also, and here buy any plan and pricing if you want, and just your website is ready. Now what you have to do is to come here server.js file. Just how you can come here, just click on that link that I have clicked, and you can check here, and there are some other stuff also appear, like where domain setup, your account, which how many disks are available, how many bandwidth which is unlimited, node which is unlimited, and how many emails with how many databases. Okay, and here we have domain and active, which date I have created, which is November. Okay, and yeah, everything you have right now, and you can create as many as what you want. And if you want to visit my website, just go to this Procode09, and if you want to visit this or want to check out this portfolio, so you have to visit this Atom portfolio. Okay, let me just show you the website. And for the source code, I will provide the source code here. As you can see, this JavaScript array method. So instead of this here, I will provide the source code, and what you have to do is to, like this, I uploaded the source code here. So just click here and scroll below, and here you can see the content like why create portfolio, features, and HTML structure as well. Just you have to click, and for copy the whole HTML, just click over here, copy, and it will you can copy the whole code. And below here it's CSS, just click here and copy the CSS file as well. And if you want the images with everything, what you have to do is to click here download now, and it will download in 15 seconds. And also don't refresh or switch the tabs until the download is complete. Okay, and it will download soon. Okay, so have fun, and thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please like it, and I will provide the link of everything in the description, so go and easily check out. Okay, and yeah, if you have any issue regarding anything like the hosting or any server and everything, just you have to go and comment me below. I will try to give you answer as soon as possible. Okay, so see you in the next video, guys. Have fun.